Hi guys, so this was a pretty awesome week. We've had an annular solar eclipse, but for most of us that means we've had a partial solar eclipse. I've managed to capture that. I wasn't really able to make a nice video about it because it was during a working day and I had set up everything in the backyard. I had polar aligned the night before and all I have to do the next morning was press the shoot button and it started shooting my time lapse while I was working. So I wasn't really able to make a video about that. So I decided to combine that video with a video about the ISS solar transit I've managed to capture as well. But it was so hectic setting everything up that I didn't really make a vlog about it. But I still wanted to show you guys my footage because it's pretty epic. So I decided to just make a video like this and show you guys my footage. Let's start off with the solar eclipse. I'm really satisfied with these results of the solar eclipse because you can see some sunspots on the moon and you can clearly see that the edge of the moon is a little bit jagged because of the mountains on the surface of the moon. And I was quite surprised that this shows so well in my results, so that's pretty cool. I've also made another time lapse with a shorter focal length and I'll show you guys that one, and in the meantime I'll get my ISS footage ready. So the ISS transit was pretty hectic, so it was in the right location 30 minutes prior, and I figured that that would be enough time to set everything up, but I had a little bit issues with setting up and polar alignment during the day and finding the sun and stuff, so it was a little bit more difficult than I suspected it to be. I still got the shot, but by the time I got everything set up I only had about 40 seconds left. This is the first time I've managed to do this and the result was pretty good, so let's have a look at that.
Ja, kijk even.
Ik zag hem.
Zag je?
Ja.
So this was my first attempt at shooting the International Space Station passing in front of the sun, and I'm really happy with the results. I've managed to get 4 images of the transit, and out of those 4 images one was really sharp. The other 3 were okay, but they were noticeably more blurry than the last one I've gotten. And the details you can see on the space station, it blew my mind. I'm honestly quite surprised that I've managed to shoot this. And when you compare it to a photo of the actual International Space Station, you can clearly see that I've managed to capture some of the smaller parts as well, like the solar panels at the bottom and this module at the top. I'm not really sure what the name of every module is, honestly, but I'm quite surprised with the amount of detail I managed to capture. I'm really stoked with these results. So that's it for this video. I'm sorry I haven't been able to show you more of the process that went behind capturing these images, but I'm planning to do another video about capturing the ISS transit as soon as the opportunity is there, so you can do this as well. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, and if you don't want to miss out on the video about planning an ISS transit and how to actually shoot one, feel free to subscribe to my channel. This way you'll get notified once I upload the video, and then I might see you next time when I'm capturing the cosmos.